this is vlog number 2 of my healthy eating series. So far we are looking pretty good for today. So I'm still sick, so my appetite's not quite back to normal. But what I have eaten, it's been healthy. I had an overnight oats earlier today. Tonight is shrimp scampi with just some canned green beans. I was going to do broccoli, but it ended up not working out tonight, so I figured canned vegetables is just fine for today. Today's meal plan includes sourdough and chicken and potato chowder. We've got the sourdough going. It's not quite looking like I want it, but I think that's due to the cold temperatures. We're just going to work for it. Usually if I do a loaf like this, it turns out just fine. Plus I'm just making it for my family. And for the chowder, I'm using the 6 ingredients or less book. Here's the recipe I'm using. And I just started it on the crock pot. For tonight's dinner, we just have tacos. I'm just doing ground beef with some taco seasoning. And I actually ran out of taco seasoning, so I just went ahead and did some homemade style. I hope it's not too spicy. But yeah, I'm just gonna do tacos. I'll use mine for tortillas for my husband and cut out the extra carbs, so he's gonna do it taco salad style. Go as nutrition packed as possible. So I ended up adding some corn kernels to mine. I'm so picky. I don't like lettuce, tomatoes, all of that. So this is probably the only vegetable I'm getting tonight. But between sour cream and refried beans, I should be fairly well balanced. I mean, not the healthiest meal in the world, but at least I'm getting the fat, the carbs, the protein. My husband's is a little bit more fancier because he's doing his taco salad style. Out of cheddar cheese, so we're making do with string cheese tonight. Might as well just use what's in the pantry, right? The final result. And there's my husband's. It looks so pretty. Next, I picked up this yogurt trail mix. And then for lunch today, I'm just having leftover tacos. I put sour cream, ground beef with the corn, and Tabasco sauce on them. Not the healthiest option, but I'm still trying to kind of slowly work myself into like all of the vegetables. And I have been adding more and more to what I like. I'm a very picky eater. So for right now, this seems to work. It's got your protein, your fat, it's got the corn in it, and then the carbs, which I am trying to take in more of. I did have Japanese food over the weekend, so I would say that's like super healthy. I got a Hawaiian bowl. My husband got a chicken teriyaki bowl. So that was kind of like our weekend treat, but definitely a super healthy food. So I'm not even mad about what I'm eating right now. Tonight's dinner consists of a Greek soup that I found on YouTube and homemade sourdough starter. Perfect for this cold weather. Today I am starting another meal prep day. I'm actually making some homemade pasta. I tried this, I want to say back in September, and I didn't have all the right tools, so my husband got me a stand mixer for Christmas with a pasta attachment. So I'm on attempt number 2. I'm just following a YouTube video on how to make it, but all it is flour, eggs, a little bit of salt and olive oil, and then just kneading the dough. So I'm doing that at the moment. But this is what we're looking like so far. I'm getting ready to let it set. It said anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, so hopefully with the right tools it'll turn out. The biggest issue I had last time is I just wasn't able to roll it out as thin as it needed to be because of my lack of tools, but I'm looking forward to see how this turns out. If I can be successful at this, I may be able to stop buying pasta. Plus, it's kind of relaxing in a really weird sort of way. Kind of enjoying it. Tonight, it's chicken curry that I pre-made. I just had a mom brain moment. I was cooking rice in my rice cooker, and I forgot to add the water. It's been cooking for 45 minutes with no water. I mean, seriously, what's wrong with me? I now have to start over. But at least we're eating healthy, and I also have some naan that we bought from Costco, so I'm looking forward to tonight's dinner. A little sit-down kind of healthy eating update here. I kind of dropped the ball the last couple of weeks. I have been doing really well for a while, and then I sort of stopped. I gave into the junk food, I gave into the snacks. I am wanting to get back on track. However, I do kind of contribute that to it being my cycle, like my time of the month. And during that time of the month, I find that I just want junk food and kind of comfort food and chocolate and just kind of all of just like, I just want comfort food, and I want to eat a lot more than I do the other like 3 weeks out of the month. So I'm kind of gonna allow myself that time to cheat when I feel like my body needs it. I mean, if you know, if you're a woman, you got your period, like, you know just how intense that can be. So I think for the time being, just kind of allowing myself some grace to kind of eat what I feel like eating that time of the month. I have gotten fast food a few times, but the last few days I have gotten myself back on track. I also find that if I am able to meal prep like heavily at one day out of the week, it makes the rest of the week go a lot smoother. And I've actually heard that trick a few times now. Like, by meal prepping, I'm able to get easy snacks, I'm able to get food without thinking about it, and then have healthy options versus like not doing that and just trying to make something every 5 minutes. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just allow myself a little bit of grace, but while also keeping up with the meal prepping. I did make some granola this week, as well as some carrot muffins. I did some meal prep, like crock pot meals that I was able to freeze, and I've been using those for like easy dinners all week long, so that's been super helpful. So I think for me, just staying on top of the meal prepping each week, and then allowing myself that grace for when I need it. I mean, I do have a loose kind of rule where I say once a week I can eat fast food if I really feel like I need it, but no more than that. And if I can avoid it, if I don't feel like I need it, to just not do it. I mean, like, with the exception of a coffee, I'm not gonna deny myself coffee, but still, I really want to completely get to the point where I can completely cut back on fast food. I mean, for right now, I'll make the 1 week exception as I need it, but overall, I want that to just be something that gets completely cut out of our diet, and then that way we have some more room to cheat when we really want to cheat. Again, my goal is not to lose weight. My goal is just to become healthier. I already feel like I'm skinny enough. I don't feel like I don't have anything that I really want to lose. I just want my overall health to be better. I have also slacked on taking my vitamins and supplements, so I am trying to find a time of the day that works for me, that I'll remember to take all of that and to be consistent with it each time of the day. And speaking of that, I should probably take my supplements. We're about midday here, so I should probably remember to take those soon. But yeah, I feel myself getting back on track. It's just, I feel like if I just stay on top of certain things, I'll be fine. I think I'm going to go ahead and end that vlog here. And it's been, 3-4 weeks now since I've done my last upload. But anyway, yeah, I'll go ahead and end it here. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, I would still love to have you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because I am going to share my sourdough recipe here real soon. I'm going to make sourdough here in the next couple days or so, I will get that uploaded into a separate video and just kind of share my easy sourdough that works for me. And again, I'm not good in the kitchen, so for me to share something that's easy like that, it's good, because me and the kitchen, I'm still learning, and I'm just now starting to get to a place to where I'm feeling confident enough to be able to actually cook and make it be something that's actually good. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.